Giving your CFA Level 1 exam all alone without any class, and are you struggling to understand certain concepts, certain subjects, and want to know about some free resources available that can help you in your preparation? Well, then you're watching the absolutely correct video. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a few free online YouTube resources that can help you in your CFA Level 1 preparation. Extremely helpful for the people who are not taking any class, and for the people who are taking classes but are not very happy with the teachers, this video is also going to be very helpful for you. So let's get straight to it. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to hit the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work even a teeny bit, then please join the channel by subscribing to it. And while you're at it, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And for the amazing, beautiful souls who are already a part of this channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Okay, so all the resources that I'm gonna mention are pretty much from YouTube. Let's understand one thing: nobody's gonna give you like to the T free resources, because obviously the people who are providing these resources, most of them, let's say a majority of them, they want you to purchase their actual resource either through a class format, question series formats, whatever it is. They already have a business running on the side and they want you to eventually purchase it. This is like their marketing material, let's put it out that way. So 100% accuracy nahi milega. So first I'm going to tell you all the resources, and in the end I'm going to tell you how to verify how accurate these resources are and how to use these resources and what else do you need to do while using these resources. So coming to resource number 1, there's this channel called EdZeb. I'm going to put the name here and I'm going to link all these things in the description box, so do not worry. There's this channel on YouTube called EdZeb that have CFA Level 1 revision lectures, subject-wise revision lectures. So they'll have like an FSA video of 7 to 8 hours. Of course, आप पूरा 7 to 8 hours एक साथ नहीं देखोगे, but you can break it up and watch it. Now, this channel was particularly actually recommended to me, or brought to my notice by the CFA Level 1 November 2024 candidates. Some of my personal clients told me about it, so I know that people have liked it. People have found it very easy to understand, quick revision of sorts. But understand one thing: it is a revision lecture. It is not a detailed concept, right? So it will only give you like a basic overview. Like I already told you, it is not gonna go in depth. But like I said, अगर concept नहीं समझ रहा, you're studying alone, you're not going for any classes, it's a great deal to have in hand, or at least watch once and then study. It will definitely add a lot of value. So EdZeb is number 1. Number 2 that I really like on YouTube is the Sanjay Saraf lectures. So he honestly doesn't post like in flow topics, like understanding topics, because like I said, end of the day he runs his own classes. He wants you to purchase those classes. It's common sense. But जो भी वो डालते हैं, for example, I came across this CFA Level 1 Introduction to Derivatives, 1.5 घंटे का video. I'm gonna add the link again. I quite liked it. So I think if you are completely not going for any classes, this particular video is for the people who are not going for any classes. And derivatives, like I said, especially in level 1, is very alien a subject. We haven't really done it much na college mein, na school mein, unless you're a working professional. So this can really help you understand what derivatives is, get a basic overview, at least, give you a head start, to teach you what are the ABCs, what are vowels, etc., so that at least you can start forming words, and using those words you might be able to get into a more in-depth knowledge. Very simply explained, that overview will help you at least form a basic break. Okay, I know what derivatives means, what derivatives ka concept is as a whole, what are the basic principles it lies upon, so that even when you actually start reading, you will get a more in-depth knowledge, or at least you won't be 100% blank. So you can use this. I particularly really like this video. He has more on derivatives. In fact, आज ही उन्होंने एक और डाला अपने ही live class का. He just put the video on YouTube. That is from a middle chapter. I'm gonna link it nonetheless, but honestly, it's your choice. If you wanna, if that particular concept is something that you're struggling with, great. If you just wanna understand, then maybe no. The third channel that I like in terms of, or I can recommend, is Kunal Doshi. Also posts CFA related videos, CFA topic related videos, basically more than CFA related videos. Basically teacher concept, because he teaches again. So Kunal Doshi is one, not a complete thing. There was Fintri as well. I don't know, Fintri का मैंने कोई latest revisionary lecture नहीं देखा है, unfortunately. But if you are able to find a latest video from Fintri, very good to refer, even if it's like a quick concept brushing that you need. Fintri videos always end with like a cliffhanger, और वो आगे का वीडियो नहीं होता, so keep that in mind. But yeah, if you just need to understand a concept quickly and you feel like at least वो basic समझ जाएगा, Fintree is good to use. And last but not the least, again, not a complete thing, but even Ashwini Bajaj posts some topics of CFA level 1, like he explains them ताकि आप समझ के उसका concept समझो. So for example, he has time value of money is what I have seen. I'm gonna again link that. You can further type Ashwini Bajaj CFA level 1 and figure it out. Now, these are the resources that you can use. Also, by the way, I have on my page an ethics standards, जो standards है ethics के, the 7 standards. I've basically done like a 3-part quick revision बोल दो, easy to understand way बोल दो. So if you're struggling to understand ethics, then you should definitely check these 3 videos out. The amount of people that have seen it, I'm not just boasting about it, have always come to me and said that, we haven't had a more fun version of ethics because बहुत ही chill तरीके से मैंने अपना, basically I'm not a teacher, I've just told you how I understood the concept, so you can check it out. And I'm also, by the way, planning to make a video on options and bonds, like explain कि मैंने कैसे उनको समझा, my method. I'm not a teacher, but how did I understand it, what were the tips and tricks, the hacks, the analogies that I used, and explain it to you the same way. So if you guys are wanting that video, comment karna. If I get a good amount of we want the video, I'll make it. If I do not, I will not. Now, coming to what should you check when you're seeing these free resources, there are a lot of free resources that people keep posting about on LinkedIn, on YouTube. First things first, check how old they are. Understand the syllabus has kind of had a slight shift from 2024 onwards. Of course, not a major shift in terms of what is being taught, but a shift for sure. So ideally, it is best that you have the 2024 se leke onwards material. So if it is something that is 7 years back, ideally I wouldn't use it unless it's a particular concept, like okay, it's time value of money, you can use that concept. But if it's the whole subject, say FSA का revision हुई lecture 7 years ago, I wouldn't go for that. I would go for something more up to date, say 1 year ago, 1.5 year at the latest, 6-7 months, perfect. So check the date, लिखा होता है हर YouTube video के पहले 2 years before, 3 years before, so check that. Number 2, and very, very, very important, like I told you, these are all very on the surface level, just to give you an overview, a basic understanding. Eventually, you need to still go in depth, at least eventually you still need to go in depth, especially if you are just referring to these free resources. So even if you are watching, for example, the EDSEB revisionary lectures that I told you, which is like a complete 10 subject revisionary lecture, you have to non-negotiably at least read Schwezer, if not the institute material, and at least solve the institute questions, like institute ke jo candidate resource hai, that is a non-negotiable point. Understand, the revisionary lectures, like I said, they will not cover every point. There might be a point or two that they will miss. Their whole core idea is just to explain the concept to you, but concept के अंदर भी बहुत सारी statements होती हैं, बहुत सारे A's and B's and C's and D's होता है, which you need to know from the exam perspective. So even if you are using these free resources, you cannot run away from reading the material. It's okay if you want to read Schwezer, it's completely fine, but you have to read the material, and very, very important, you cannot run away from practice. You have to practice the candidate resource questions. It's okay if you're not able to complete it. It's okay if you do not score very well in it, but you need to constantly practice. You need to understand what's going wrong. That is what's important, because the more you practice, the more concept clarity you'll have, the better your exam will go. So yes, this is one of the most asked videos. A lot of you have been telling me to share some free resources, तो ये मैंने अभी देखे हैं, note किए हैं, so I thought of sharing it with you. If it helps you, let me know in the comment section. If you know of any other free resource, let me know in the comment section, because let's just grow together. आप comment section में डालोगे, somebody else will see it, it will help them as well. So let's be united and grow together. And if you like this video and want me to make more such videos, then do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.